so excited to film today's video. I've been seeing everything for Fashion Week and like the Victoria's Secret fashion show going on, and I'm just very inspired. Don't mind my skin right now. I'm having like a little hormonal breakout, which is like totally not cool, but it's alright. We're just gonna skip right over that. I feel like I've always been obsessed with like Victoria's Secret models and like the way they do their hair, the way they do their makeup, because I love a good voluminous blowout and curls, and I also love clean makeup. Personally, I have the same day and night makeup, I guess. Maybe I would like add eyeliner, maybe like a little darker wing or something. Regardless of that, I feel like I basically use the Victoria's Secret makeup as inspiration for my everyday makeup anyway. Let's just use, for example, I'll put the photo on the screen. I think this is of Adriana Lima. She is gorgeous. Her and I'm trying to think. I think her name is Candace, the blonde girl. Yes, this one. And her. They always have the most beautiful, effortless makeup, and it's always so glowy. And maybe it's because they have blue eyes, both of them. I don't know, but anyway, we're gonna jazz it up. So we're gonna use both of those as inspo. Maybe even this is a better photo of like the makeup. It's more of like a pinky, bronzy, glowy type of eyeshadow. And I'm also really excited to actually do my makeup because I just cleaned all my makeup brushes, and it's like, I'm just gonna start with lotion. My face is like definitely dry as shit. Let's add some like little pink clips. I feel like that like goes with the vibe, right? I'm already in my pink Victoria's Secret robe from like, literally 2018. I'm surprised they even still have this, but I feel like I've saved it for costume purposes because I feel like that's always a good last minute costume too for Halloween. Victoria's Secret Angel. Because I feel like it's like easy. It's just makeup. You throw on a little like underneath. You could wear like a dress, sparklies, like just adorable. I just got this Anastasia Beverly Hills little like cream putty bronzer. So I've been using that, and it's like so nice because it's like naturally bronzy. It just looks so good. It's not too dark, it's not too cool tone, it's just like nice. Since like the Hailey Bieber makeup was a trend so long ago, I've just been doing underpainting, and now like I just feel like whenever I don't underpaint, it looks so weird. And maybe not weird, it just looks like too heavy. Like it doesn't look like a nice natural little bit of makeup like that I enjoy. It just looks like heavy. My whole brush just broke. Alright, we're just gonna put it back together. But that's such a good bronzer. Like, look at how nice and glowy it is. I'm just gonna do a little concealer. I know this looks like a lot, whatever. You could judge me. I literally have acne, so I'm just gonna cover it. Which usually I don't put this right on the acne, but it's not like anything active. It's more just like a scarring now. So I feel like that's not as bad as like an active pimple, you know, putting it in my actual tube. Because I don't know if anybody else gets skeeved out by like acne, but I get skeeved out, and I have such bad skin. When my skin breaks out, it's not just like, oh, cute little breakout. It's like actually a whole lot. It's not funny. And I'm also getting like unwanted monthly sub like this week, so that's probably why my skin's like bugging, but we'll be okay. I did want to watch a show. I did just finish Suits, like, but then I found out that there was a 9th season on Amazon, and I'm like too lazy to go and like actually look it up. And then on Peacock, they also have, I think it's like a spin-off. It's like Pearson something. I think it's just called Pearson, like Jessica Pearson, you know, the lady they work for. If you didn't watch Suits, you definitely should go watch Suits because that's a good watch. That, and I just seen that they put White Collar on Hulu, which used to be my favorite show ever. I think the guy who plays, I think he's like the main character, honestly. He's like a criminal. He's so hot. I don't know, it's giving like, I was about to say Nate Archibald, bro. Maybe if he was like a criminal. Whatever, it's the hair. They have the same hair. Let me not lie. That's the only reason I made that comparison. I should have probably did my hair first, right? Whatever. I'm gonna do all my cream stuff first. I also just got this. It's in the shade Latte. It is such a cute color. I feel like it's like a good bronzy sun-kissed type of vibe. Like exactly my vibe today. And I feel like it just blends good with like a bronzer. I'm gonna use my Fenty palette. These two little nude shades. Do this darker pink with this brown, and just do only in my crease. To the dark purple-y color again, because I feel like it needs to be more pinky to like fit the vibes. These two. Used on it, and just doing the lower lash line, brow gel, and then fill in the sparse spots. I feel like they're very natural. Like all of them, they don't have very 2016 brows, you know. I feel like they just have natural little brows. I feel like Victoria's Secret makeup is literally clean girl makeup with like a little bit of a bolder eye, like maybe a nighttime clean girl look. Like, now they're like not really too filled in, but you could tell I have. So I've been listening to Olivia Rodrigo's new album. My eyelash extensions are bothering me so bad. I like really need to go tomorrow for a fill. I just used the Laura Mercier. I got the travel size one like literally ages ago and it's still lasting me, so we're using her. But I heard the Huda Beauty one was so good. The purple one, you hear me? The pink one. Even though they're very glowy and stuff, my skin gets so greasy, so if I don't put powder on, it's gonna be so embarrassing. But I feel the same way about this bronzer, like the color, as I do about the Anastasia cream one. Like it's like a good bronzy, glowy type of color. Alright, and I did forget to contour my nose, and I already put powder on, so I'm just gonna use the bronzer. And then I seen this Patrick Ta, when he does Alex Earl's makeup and like everyone's makeup, he always connects the bronzer to the eyebrow bone, and I just feel like it makes everything look so connected. I feel like contouring is like a trust the process type of thing. Patrick Ta, it's in the shade She's Seductive. This is my favorite bronzer, if you can tell, obviously, since she's at pan already. But she's like the same color as that latte one too. I feel like I buy all makeup that is like all in the same shade, whether it's cream or not. You know how they're always literally glowing? Just to tap that off, because I'm like very anal when it comes to my highlight. I like need to put my Too Faced gold one because I just feel gold looks so good. This is Hailey Bieber's lip color and Peekaboo Neutral from NYX. And then just for gloss, I'm gonna use this Too Faced Plumping Gloss, which is like clear and sparkly. And then just because I feel like this is a little too neutral for me, like I think I need a little bit darker of a lip, I'm gonna put Soar from MAC just to deepen it up a tiny bit. And now I'm gonna do my hair. I'm literally just gonna blow dry my front piece.
Oh, it's real hard to break this habit. It's like I want you 24/7. When I'm without you, boy, I feel sick. Think you work better than my prescription.
So I finished curling my hair. I'm just gonna let the curls set, and I'm gonna take this top roller out. It's not really like as voluminous as I thought it was gonna be, but we'll see after I flip my head over. I'm just brushing them out lightly. Close up on the makeup. Please don't, let me brush out my eyelashes before you judge me. And I just think it's so cute because I literally like have the robe on. Like I feel like the robe made the whole get ready with me like 10 times more better. Thank you guys so much for watching.